Hello, 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 hello. Hello. I will be doing a weird talking ASMR. Like talking, not whispering. I'm not good at it. I might go back at it yeah. And, well, I have a screen protector, which is kind of cracked, and I'll explain it. So I was holding it like this. I took it off because there's like a hair or something underneath on my phone. And I was trying to get it off, and I held it like this, and I went and pushed too hard. So my dad just said, keep it off, I'll get you a new one, okay? So I did that. Sorry, my fake braces are falling off, which makes me so mad. So, yes. Yeah. So I'm going to be breaking it with like ASMR style, except what was I doing? Except talking. So, I made up a new ASMR. Amazing. It's called A, which is amazing. T, which is talking. A, which is abstract. Then N, which is noise. ATAN. Abstract. Amazing? No, we'll do AATS. Amazing abstract talking sound. Instead of amazing something something sound, I don't know, yeah. Something like that. We'll be doing AATS. Amazing abstract talking sound. I am like talking really badly. It's like, see me, you'll see me. Well, I think let's just get to it. So I think I'm gonna try to break this piece off right here. Break up. Ooh. I'm just going to be doing the top. Well, I'm ready. Ow, poked me. There's like tiny speckles of glass on my hand. I should have stepped on this. See if that would have broke it. Right, slime. Ow, that like really hurts. So cool. Well, you should put this on your friend's phone. Even though it's not sticky anymore. Glue it. Oh, let's rip it. That's like not real glass. Maybe since but it's like OMG. We'll try to fit this back together. Ow. I'm like so retarded. Wait, who breaks glass? I've seen people do it on ASMR, but now it's called AATS. I made it up. I knew it. Amazing, abstract, talking, sound, relax. We had the extra R for relax. There's like a bunch of little pieces spreading down off of this onto my leg. Okay. Did you see that? Okay, this feels like sand. Oh, that just stabbed me. See that? Oh, we were supposed to break it. That's shiny. Shiny. What's one? So. Okay, that one's not ripping. Extra work for me for our puzzling training. I'll show you guys all the glass that is broken off. Oh, crap. Okay. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can. This is it. There's glass on my hands. Ow, there's like something stabbing me. Which is probably glass because I'm retarded and decided to break it. So let's solve this. This piece is at the top because this little thingy. This one to my iPhone X. Hopefully he meant what he said to just. This is the other. One! Two puzzle pieces. Yay! Well, it can't be anywhere else. We'll just make it fit. Then where does this go? Oh. Maybe they're opposite sides. No, they can't be like that because, well, ow. Okay, we getting somewhere now. Then what? Like that? What? Okay, there. It looks finished. So let's just throw this. Oh, it scratched me. Oh, there what? Oh, this scratch. Clean it up for me. Whoa. Anyway. Bye. That's just pudding, so don't worry. It's not anything else. Bye. I love y'all.